Penny.
You do realize I stand on the other side of the door waiting for you to finish knocking 3 times.
I can see the shadow of your feet under the door.
Waste of time.
If you're looking for an example of a waste of time, I would refer you to the conversation we're having right now. I've decided to take your advice and have arranged to go on a date with Amy Farrah Fowler.
Oh, that's great. Have fun.
Wait. You have to drive me.
What?
Drive?
Well, go ask Leonard.
I did. He said, and I quote, "Ask Penny. It was her cockamamie idea."
Said cockamamie?
Actually, I'm paraphrasing. Raised in a Christian household, I'm uncomfortable with the language he used. And to be honest, I'm not entirely comfortable with cockamamie.
Okay, fine. When's the date?
Now. We're going to be late.
Sheldon, did it ever occur to you that I might have other plans?
I'm sorry. Do you have other plans?
Well, no, not per se.
This conversation is as pointless as your door-knocking soliloquy?
Let me get my cockamamie keys.